Hi, this is Jiahui Ling. Today I would like to talk about how to start business. No, not how to start business. I just want to talk about to start business. At the beginning, I have to say, please don't think of me as a um, rich guy or I still poor, okay? And start business also the reason for me that why I'm so poor right now. Okay, earn money is not easy thing for everyone, right? How can we earn money? Of course, it's to finding a job. Finding a job. When they get a job, what happened next? Most people find a job they offer is not interest or the salary is too low to meet their needs in life. Then some people will continue to work, but others will looking for a new job and apply for a new job till they feel it's okay to earn my living. This social situation reflects the two main goals that one is the salary, the second is interest. In my opinion, the primary reason for many companies to start a business is to purchase what they like. Um, for example, somebody love games and they will get together to start a small company like to make a new games or develop a games and somebody love the car and they will try to open a garages or to become a car dealer, right? In the world, the reason why most people choose to start a business is to achieve achieve their dreams. Yes, the slogan also applied for me. When I was a freshman in college, I co-founded a small restaurant with my friend. To save money, we learned to print the walls. Yeah, we learned to lay the how can I say that the current the salmon, right? In order to attend guests, we hand out a leaflet on campus. To make money, we open the restaurant from 8 o'clock a.m. to 11 p.m. As we have no money, we need to go to work bye for 15 minutes every day. One of the hardest time was when we worked from day to night without a bite and till we after work the closing time we ate our guests leftover bread for dinner. I don't mean to this um I don't mean to let you down, but I just want to say we are very tired but we are happy. To start business is not a smooth journey. It will face many difficulties. Some difficulties will make you lose hope for the career. But so what? The sun still rises and the life will go on. As long as you stick it to it, you will succeed one day. I failed, but I will continue to start my own business. So what about you? Will you choose to will you choose your job and put up with your boss' bad temper, or will you just break in love to start your own business too? Think about it. That this is my speech. Thank you for listening.